Hello everyone, back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about landscape design elements. There are many design elements in an outdoor area, like a park or a garden, whether it's a private or public. Design elements could be like a shade structure, um, a seating area, a bench, a fountain, a drinking fountain, a pool, an open lawn area, a picnic area. Or if you decide to go for an outdoor party where it can be held in an open lawn area, like an amphitheater. As a designer, you can decide what is the theme that you want to follow. So, some people prefer circular shapes, some people prefer rectangular shapes, some people prefer straight lines. So it depends on what you prefer to use in your design, right? So and that's how the design elements can be, affected or be reflected to match your theme. For example, for me, I prefer to use vertical curvy shapes in my designs, and I try as much as possible to make the design element workable, but also to match my theme. So here we are, this is our canvas, and I chose a rectangular shape to create a trellis, and that's the type of the shade structure that we're gonna draw today. 3 by 5, this is the dimension of the trellis, and I copy the same shape to create the base of our foundation. Now I'm working on doing the blanks on the top. So the easiest thing is just to copy the same shape, just do down one or two and then copy them, and that's how you can be more faster in the drawing. Then chose a darker brown for the base of the columns, and then I created another layer called the guidelines to create the elevation of the shade structure. So whatever you see in the plan, you need to reflect it in the elevation. So basically these are the columns, and now to have a better sense of our scale and proportion, I brought this guy here, and people height as a guideline is always 1.8. So yeah, and then I decided that the height of the shade structure will be 3 meters, and creating these lines to have a guideline for me where I'm gonna reflect the blanks and also the base of the blanks, which will be underneath. So here it is in a darker brown, as it's shown in the plan. And the easiest way is to just copy the same shape and then rotate it in 90 degrees, and yes, you have your columns from both sides. Yep. And then creating the blanks with the same color tone. And here a new layer, I called it the shade and shadow. Now we're gonna assume that the shade, the sun direction is coming from this side, and then we will create our shade. So I'm assuming that the column is pushed away a little bit inwards, and then yeah, erase until you create your shade. Now the climbers, of course, the climbers will always plan um, from the sides of the columns and walk its way up to cover the blanks or the roof of the shade structure, which will make it more interesting. Yeah, and then I decided to reflect the same on the top in the plan as well, and yeah, here we go. I really like these Copic colors. It's really um, give you a better sense of the gradients of different colors. For example, here the green, uh, olive green, and light green, and many more. So remember always to enjoy what you're doing, and I really love doing this coloring, and I enjoy discovering different gradients of colors. Yeah, just have fun with it, and thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.